Oh, Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah,
Look,
Chloe.
that's kind of like a moat.
It is like a moat, except that it's full of gators, which is what some moats have.
Look and those turtles aren't stone. Those turtles aren't stone either.
I was so sure that these were.
The white bird up there.
I know, I see them.
I think there might just be one. He might be sleeping. This is the bird.
What? Who?
Do you say the people in Wildcats? Do they say that?
No.
Who says good gravy?
I just
little
made
bit.
it up.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Alligator Park. My name is Alligator. So raise your hand if you want a 2 to 3 year-old house for 60 to 80 years. It's a big commitment. A lot of us don't necessarily understand before taking on one of these animals. It is a touch.
Hey, look at this. We're passing one enclosure.
David Clemson, the Alligator Farm's curator of reptiles, went to Australia to help crate and transport Maximo and Sydney. The 2 crocodiles were shipped in wooden crates inside and were transferred to a cargo carrier for a flight to Orlando. On October 24th, Maximo and Sydney arrived home at the St. Augustine Alligator Farm Zoological Park.
Well, look at his.
We
Look at
at
his.
Flores were very concerned when he came over. He made a
did not want to go do
10,000-mile
that.
trip in the airplane, and we thought he would overcome that disruption in his routine more quickly than he did.
He'd be in the shadow of the...
He said that he was going to be nervous. He's so cute. He eats 1 to 2 chickens a week. He's so cool. That's awesome.
Years, it was Govek, 17 alligator farm. When Govek died in 1997, the alligator
Maximo's a very different
Let's go see them.
Find that one.
Remember what we learned about them? They have like a poisonous bite. Hey, look at its tongue.
They're the biggest lizards in the world.
Yeah. So you want to hear about it?
A lot. Look at him moving. Look at him moving.
But it's a real giant.
You can understand why people were afraid of snakes.
They like it.
What kind of alligators do you think these guys are? Let's look it up. Wow, we should call it natural bird rookery drawing. Rookery, they said. Take pictures of the. Whoa, what kind of bird is that? Whoa. Wow.
How do you go to Florida?
You know, because they got wings and they're like, I can fly away. They're used to being around each other. I don't know if that's their favorite meal.
How old are the beeping amount of gators?
Wow, so cool.
Where are the babies? I don't
They're right there. You see the little baby heads? See the babies in the nest? That's so cool, baby.
So cute. I found baby. We found a baby that have 500 pages.
You're so lucky.